Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka pisa. Kali jo na kan ni. Ba ka hospital te ka laj kai nang ni.
Pinti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por khamo. What was Leitan?
Sister, hap siu kat no ma.
Ka sarkar kala siulut ikijing lut jing separo.
Namar man ka way pa ka way ka minsim ka long ka koridor.
Today, we went to the Assam police camp as the farmers who had gone today to the fields, their fields were across ahead of Assam police camp. Assam police assured us full cooperation, but despite that, few miscreants came out with the intention of disturbing the peace and tranquility and to disturb our farmers from cultivating. Here, there are few things which I would like to put on record. Number one, the jurisdiction is disputed, whether it is under Assam or Meghalaya. But the ownership and possession is undisputed. The ownership of the land where the rice is being cultivated fairly and squarely belongs to the residents of Lapanga, as well as the possession. So whatever miscreants from Assam side were doing, they were doing with the malified intention of rightful owners from, stopping them from cultivating their own land, which they have been doing since time immemorial. While this talks were going on and our farmers were patiently waiting, then we received a call from the Assam side, received the call from Honorable MLA who represents Tapat village. He has requested that rather than use of any force, that at least one day be given to him so that he can peacefully explain to the public from Karbi side. Keeping in view the bigger picture and our constant endeavor towards maintaining peace and tranquility, even though which has come at the cost of economic hardship, we have decided for today to give one more day to the Assam side. We will patiently wait, and then once the decision is conveyed from their side, we will take further action. Thank you. It is a fact that our intention since morning was to go into the fields and start cultivating. Having said that, as I have already briefed, the area is beyond the present Assam police camp. So we require their cooperation. The same cooperation was extended by them during the harvesting last season. And as officers of law, we fully understand that any use of force can have unintended consequences. So as to avoid any bigger damage, we have requested our farmers from my side to retreat for one day, give one more day to the local MLA from Assam side, and let us hope the cultivation resumes and the peace and tranquility be maintained forever. Presence of Assam side yesterday is cooperating to the extent they can, but we have to understand we are operating in a democratic setup. So they have requested us for their representative to sort out this situation. We have agreed for one day, which is tomorrow, and then when to go to our fields, we will take decision once the decision from Karbi side is conveyed to us. Having said that, I have already put it on record that the jurisdiction is disputed, but the ownership and possession is undisputed. Decision which we will take on our own, and I'm not at liberty to share the details.
We've seen it today.
See, SF-10 is already on the way from Shillong. So they were camping in a certain area. They have been withdrawn from there and they are already on the way. So hopefully by later evening today, we will have them present here, or perhaps tomorrow morning. I don't have the logistical details with me ready as of now.